Hey folks, thanks for stopping by. This week I'm going to be making a coffee scoop from what I think is a piece of mahogany. Stick around, we'll get started. Okay, first thing I did was mount it in the chuck after having found the center and using a cone center to line it up so that it's parallel here. This wants a hole that is about 17/64. I think it was meant to be a 1/4 inch, but because the casting is a little bit off, it's going to have to be 17/64. So now that I've got it mounted up, I'm going to put a Jacob's chuck in the tailstock and drill it out. And I'll drill it to just about that depth. I've got it marked on the drill bit itself. That'll work. I've got the calipers set to the diameter just slightly less than this little ridge here, and I'll turn that down about the same distance. So kind of sweep into it and then make a handle shape. So let me grab a spindle gouge. I'll get to turn it. Actually, let me rough it down first with a roughing gouge. Like I said, I've got the diameter of the caliper set. Let me mark about how far back I want it to go, and then I will bring it down. It looks decent. Let me sand it, then I'll think about what kind of finish to put on it. Okay, since it's going to be in contact with coffee, I think I'm going to just go ahead and put a like a beeswax finish on it, assuming I can find my beeswax. Okay, yep. So beeswax finish is just a chunk of beeswax, obviously. I'll rub it to get it to melt in, and then I'll take a paper towel and burnish it to melt the wax down into the wood. And I may have to do this multiple times to get a nice smooth surface. All right, let me go ahead and part it off and get a skew in there and dome it over as I cut it off. It's not too bad. A little bit of a torn fiber right there, but oh, that's pretty good. Let me take this over the drill press and sand it a little bit, and then put a little bit of beeswax on it, and then we'll go over to the bench and put it together. Okay, last step we've got to do is mix up some epoxy so that we can glue the scoop into the handle. Okay, I think that will be that. I'll let that sit for, I think this one sets up in 5, but it's not really to be used before, was it 24? Set time in 8 to 10 minutes, 1 hour cure time. Okay, so about an hour, I'll come back and use some acetone to clean up any little bits of epoxy that got on it. Clean that up, and it'll be done. I'm gonna throw that one away. So anyway, if you made it this far, thanks for sticking with me. Please be sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed already. I try to put out one of these a week or so. You know, if you like what you see, tell me. Comment, share, like. See you next week. Take care.